A 2 billion parameter AI model that outperforms giants like DALL-E 3 and Stable Diffusion? Sounds impossible, right? Well, this week I'm going to show you this new AI tool that is completely free, an open source model revolutionizing AI image generation with features you've never seen before. Trust me, you'll want to stick around to see how this tiny powerhouse is changing the game. Hi everyone, welcome to another video here in Traffic and 3. The last week has been absolutely mind-blowing in the world of AI. You can take a look at our weekly roundup in this link. Okay, let's start with this new free and open source image generator called Lumina Image 2.0. This is a really high quality model given its size. It's only 2 billion parameters, whereas Flux in comparison is 12 billion parameters, which is 6 times larger. Now, this Lumina Image 2 supports up to 1024 resolution, and it actually uses Gemma 2 as the text encoder and Flux as the VAE. And here are some examples. You can see it has absolutely no problem generating these realistic scenes. It's also really good at generating text in images, as you can see here. And you can also enter prompts in different languages. Plus, in addition to realistic images, it also can generate various artistic styles like this. And here's a really cool feature. You can generate multiple images in one image. So let's say your prompt is generate a dual panel image where the lower half displays a canny edge map while the upper half retains the original image for direct visual comparison. So this is what you get. Or here's another example. Generate a 2-panel depiction of a human face transforming from a rough sketch in the left half to a hyper-realistic portrait in the right half. And this is what we get. Now, there are various hugging face spaces where you can use Lumina online for free, so you just need to enter in a prompt, but there are also advanced settings, and here's another strength of Lumina Image. You can add in what is called a system prompt. This is like an overarching prompt that describes the rules or the role of this AI. So for example, instead of this, you can say you are a professional photographer. And if you do that, then all your outputs would be realistic professional photos. And then here's where you enter in a negative prompt. These are all the things you want to exclude from the image. And then here's where you adjust the width and height. Here are some other settings which you might be familiar with if you've been doing image generation before. Anyways, let's do a simple prompt like a portrait of a woman in the city and then click run. All right, so this is what we get. Now, for the system prompt, instead of saying you are a professional photographer, let's write you are an impressionist painter and then press run and see what that gives us. And here's our result. So you can see how this new system prompt feature can be really useful. Now, if you compare this new Lumina image with existing models of similar sizes like SDXL or Stable Diffusion 3 or even DALL-E 3 or OmniGen or NVIDIA Sana, note that for most of these benchmarks, the highest score goes to Lumina Image. So it's a really impressive image generator given its small size. Anyways, the models are out on Hugging Face already for you to download. Like I said, this is completely free and open source. I will link to this GitHub page in the description below for you to read further. And that sums up all the highlights in AI this week. I don't know if you can feel the acceleration, but I feel like these past 2 weeks especially have been absolutely insane. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.